Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your username on X. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Changing your username is pretty quick and easy once you know how. Follow the steps in the video to learn how to do it. On the X app homepage, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Tap Settings and Support. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Tap Your Account from the top of the options. Then tap Account Information. Tap on your current username. Tap Continue on the pop-up. Now create your new username and tap Done in the top right. I just made my username the same as I didn't want to change it, but you will have to pick a username that is not already taken. Your X username has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more X tips and tricks.